welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M13 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and after that tap on the sounds and vibration here, then click on the volume section, and to unmute our device ringtone we should slide this dot to the right side with our finger. Also we can do it by the second way. Just first be sure that this switcher is turned off to change the ringtone with our volume buttons, and now by press the up volume button we can also unmute our device ringtone, and we can do this by the third way, just by slide to the up this volume panel with our finger, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.